Hello everyone. Today I'll show you that the sleeper. What is the use of sleeper timer here? So, so when you click on sleeper timer, we see some option 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 30, and end of video. So when you're watching YouTube, right, some videos, right, automatically if you put the timer on, right, it will go to sleep mode. If it is 10, 15, whatever you choose, like 10 minutes, after 10 minutes this YouTube will go sleep mode. Yeah, this is the use of the YouTube sleeper mode here. Yeah, in mobile you can see here 10 minutes left, but here I don't see the option. Yeah, you can change as per your convenience. 45, 60, end of video you want me to turn off. You want to turn off the, I mean, you want to make it to the sleep mode of this YouTube, right? You can do that. Thank you.